Hi guys, I am CM Tech. I am from Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. In today's video I wanted to share with you a few basic steps to create a Facebook account. As we know, Facebook is a social networking site that is no stranger to tech followers. Thanks to Facebook, we have been connected and kept in touch with loved ones and have many new relationships. Most people have their own at least one Facebook account, so creating a Facebook account is too difficult. No, in this tutorial, I will show you how to register Facebook easily. Only less than 2 minutes you already own yourself a completely free Facebook account. Before I start, I want to emphasize that this is not a fraudulent account hijacking, not a hack cheat. This is only a small trick to help you create a Facebook account in a quick and simple way. Now start following me. First we will create a free email at 10minutemail.net website. I placed the link in the video description. This website will provide us with a free email enabled in 10 minutes. I visited this site before. My email has only 6 minutes left. Now I will click Get Another Email Address. I will get a new email. The time for this new email begins to count down from the 10th minute. Click the Copy to Clipboard button to complete the copy of that email address. Next, we connect to the Facebook homepage, facebook.com. Take a look at the Create an Account section. In the Personal Information section, enter your name. Make sure one thing is your real name on your personal papers. When you make a fake name, your account is most likely at risk of being reported for not complying with Facebook's terms, also called FAQs. First name is Miho, last name is Angel. That's right, I'll enter it like that. Next step. In the mobile number or email address section, paste the email address that we copied into the clipboard in the first step at the 10minutemail.net page. Once again paste the email address into the re-enter email address box. In the box to enter a new password, enter your private password. Make sure your password includes letters, uppercase or lowercase, numbers 0 to 9, special characters. For example, AA and hash. The harder it is to guess the password, the higher the security of your Facebook account. In the birthday box, enter your birthday. Now I will enter my birthday here. A little note for you, make sure you are an 18-year-old Facebook user. When you are 18 years old, your Facebook account will enable followers. This helps you have more people interacting when your friends list reaches 5,000 friends. Female or male is the gender part, choose your gender. I will choose female. Finally, click on the Sign Up button to complete the registration process. Oh no, I cannot register my account because the name I entered is not accepted. Maybe I have to change another name. Let's try. Oh my god, it still doesn't work. I have to replace another name. Try again. Come on, let me think. Maybe I'm going to think about it. This time I will enter it as MYULYLY. This is my real name and so was the name before. But it's okay to hope this time will be fine. Try clicking Sign Up again. Wait. God is successful. Great, so I just created a Facebook account for you guys. Too easy, isn't it? Right now, I will receive a Facebook notification asking me to enter the confirmation code sent to the email in my inbox. The 10minutemail.net page to check your inbox from Facebook. Facebook email confirmation code consists of 5 consecutive digits. Here are 43608. Click Continue. I received the message, confirm email successfully. Now comes the steps to set up some basic information for Facebook. Please follow me. We will install the avatar and add some hometown, school information. this point, we should set personal information to only me mode. Thus crooks will not exploit our information to steal Facebook accounts. Now we will go to the section to check the email information to see if it has confirmed successfully. When the words "add another email" or "mobile phone" appear, the email has been successfully verified for your Facebook account. By this email, you can log into Facebook with the private password you created. In addition, you can enter username and password to log into Facebook without having to enter an email address. For example, my username is MYULYLY.5. By recalling or copying and pasting the username into the Facebook ID frame, we can log into FFlat more quickly. So I just shared with you how to create the fastest and most effective Facebook account in 2019. You can apply this method on your smartphone. In the following video I will continue to share tips to help you secure your Facebook account without being afraid of being hacked. You like and share, and don't forget to click subscribe to continue watching CM Tech. Thank you.